Que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées, que tu peux aimer sans renoncer. Tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle, tu verras tous les jours tes nuits sans sommeil, mes gants de velours dénoueront tes chaînes et nous serons heureux pour l'éternel. Tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle, tu connais.
Here. We're here. Small spot on the way. Oh, this place.
Hi guys, Josh.
Liberty Bridge.
Where are you guys at?
Liberty Bridge.
In?
Greenville.
But I can feel it moving.
Move slowly. Move slowly. Don't move too fast. Hello. Hello. They are marching one by one, Josh. Oh my gosh. Migrating. Can we walk down the stairs? I know. Can we walk down the stairs? Yeah, sure. Hello. They're really up close. We're on their way.
This one is big. They're going back to the river. Look, one line, half flat. These are babies, I think.
They're there. Oh.
Pero masarap yata yung atin. Yan na.
Okay, let's go to Kilowins. Crazy Go at Falls Park, Greenville, United States of America. Let's go. Careful, ah. There's a waterfall here. That's where the lazy goat is. Wait, wait, Daddy. Here at the... Where? Point at... Here at Lazy Goat. Yes. How are you? I'm good. We're here at the Lazy Goat. Hi, Daddy.
Hi. I'm looking for a good wine for us. What are you drinking, Josh?
I'm drinking lemonade.
Okay.
Not so lazy cocktails. Okay, go for it then.
Anong inumin mo?
Leaving the Amalfi Tree.
Yeah. When I get back, I'll send an email to the team. Thanks, Doc.
There are nurses out there. Some alarms are there. The doctors are there, and then the gates are there. Careful, it's hot. There's Bella. And Josh is having. What are you having, Josh?
What was it? Lazy paella with calamari and
Lazy goat.
lazy goat paella.
It's dripping.
Delicious.
Okay, I thought it did. Sorry.
What are you having, Josh?
I'm having lazy goat paella with calamari and mushrooms.
ce jour sans pareil, mes gants de velours, dénoueront tes chaînes et nous serons heureux. Dans l'éternel que tu peux traverser la nuit sans
Yummy, Josh. Look at all the awards now. They were 2018, 2017, 2016, 2021. Hi Josh, did you enjoy the food?
Yes, I did. So fancy.
I know, nice, right?
Hi guys, where you at?
Falls Park in Greenville.
Where you at, Josh?
Falls Park. Flowers.
Yes.
It's not really just about the picture. It's still fun.
What's that bird? Can you see it?
temps, nous serons heureux. Pour l'éternel que tu peux traverser la nuit sans tomber. Que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées. Que tu peux aimer sans renoncer. Tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle. Tu verras tous les jours tes nuits sans sommeil, mes gants de velours dénoueront tes chaînes et nous serons heureux. Pour l'éternel, tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle. Tu connaîtras ce jour sans pareil, mes gants de velours dénoueront tes chaînes et nous serons heureux. Pour l'éternel que tu peux traverser la nuit sans tomber.
That's the bridge. And then just on the side, huh? There is a waterfall. Oh wow! That's the waterfall. Gosh, look at the waterfall. Nice, no?